call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the
am I really that much to handle? Breaking these figures down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
You got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. Who used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong.
I think I'm gonna buy this jeans. And I think this is the only size left, so I might as well take them. welcome back to another vlog. So today is Monday, and yeah, I'm gonna run late if I continue speaking. So yeah guys, I did my laundry in the morning and then I have class right now. I think I have 3 classes today if I'm not mistaken. So come spend the day with me. Today,
Notice they really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me. Ooh, don't ever get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, don't ever get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go bottom, boot up, dee-dee-da-do, boot up, and my heart go bottom, boot up, dee-dee-da-do. It just won't stop, it go bottom, boot up, dee-dee-da-do, boot up, and my heart go bottom, boot up, dee-dee-da-do. It just won't stop, it go. Ah, how many ways can I say that I need you, baby? It's true. I think I might die without you. Feeling all over my body. You know how I like it. Ain't gotta tell you what to do. Yeah. Ooh, don't ever get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, don't ever get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go bottom, boot up, dee-dee-da-do, boot up, my heart go bottom, boot up, dee-dee-da-do.
I left the city, you. You and me, we just don't get along. You made me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of places they don't pay for.
On my ears became your ears.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. Who used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need.
hello people, welcome back to my vlogging vlog. So today is Friday and I haven't been able to vlog this week. I feel like this week was just, I had period pains the whole week and today they're so bad, and yeah, So I'm just about to eat. I was supposed to go for class, but I couldn't because so I'm just about to eat breakfast. It's after 12. I think it's like 1:30 or 1:45. I'm just about to eat, and I wanted to show you guys a gift that I got from my friend. Her birthday was last year, and it was during recess, so I wasn't able to like gift her with something. So I told her that I'm just gonna give her like back. So this is everything I got. This is what I got for her. I got the purse, and then I got this shades from Mr. Price too. And then I got this scrunchy thingies from Mr. Price too. And I also got this notebook, whatever, journal from Pen. So cute. Yeah. So yeah, and then I was thinking of getting her like a chocolate or something, but I didn't manage to buy that. So I'm thinking of ordering from Pick and Pay. But I have to find something else to order too, because I can't just order chocolate. So yeah guys, and yeah, I'm pretty sure this vlog is gonna be short because this, situation. But I do hope you guys enjoy my vlogs, and I do hope you guys are noticing my consistency, because I did promise that, and I'm actually doing what I promised. Yes. So yeah guys, yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to update you guys.
My love, call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing.
Hi guys, I'm currently editing this vlog, and this vlog is still chaotic. It's a mess and it's just all over the place, and I was supposed to post this on Sunday or Saturday. I think it was the 1st of March, but I wasn't able to upload because I didn't have enough content to edit, and I also didn't shoot content the past week. So I'm just gonna upload it, and please forgive me if you feel like it's, but yeah, I'm trying my best to stay consistent. If I don't post this now, I don't think I'm ever gonna post it. So yeah, I'm just trying to edit right now, and actually I'm studying, but I took a break and decided to edit this video. So yeah, I think I'll start another vlog today actually, because it's like 3:30 a.m. It's Saturday the 7th of March, and day 7 of 29. Like I was saying, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys do enjoy this vlog, and really please like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, like and subscribe, because I know you guys won't comment. Yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this vlog, and I hope you guys had a great week. Had a great past 2 weeks, whatever it is, because I didn't post last week and I felt so bad. But yeah guys,
I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left